What's going on, everybody? Thanks for stopping by to the channel. Today we're going to go check out the Dollar Tree and see if we can find anything to resell on Amazon. So a lot of times people think retail arbitrage or selling on Amazon in general costs a lot of money. They don't know where to get started. So I like to stop by the Dollar Tree just to show people that there's things you can find that you can make money on that aren't going to cost you an arm and a leg. Plus, buying these $1, $1.25, $1.50 items and making a couple bucks is going to help you learn the process, and it's going to help you build confidence when you're learning how to sell on Amazon. Possibly even eBay too. There's some good stuff in here sometimes. So we may not find some scores like humongous, make $1,000 in a day kind of things that you see other content creators making, but I'm going to take you through and I'm going to use an app called Profitl. Now you can use the Amazon seller app, that's fine, but Profitl actually shows you a lot more information and I like the setup. There is a link in the description down below if you see it in action and you want to check it out, as well as some discount codes. So check that out. I'm going to show you just out in the wild how it works, and yeah, hopefully find some good stuff. Let's go check it out. So basically what we're going to do is just look for name brand items, things that you would see anywhere else. Like down here is some what is that, Arm & Hammer, just different kinds of things like that we're looking for. Dermacell, and then we're just going to start scanning stuff. So like we got this Dermacell, we've got the Profitl app right here. We're going to do scan. We're going to look at the barcode. Now these are $1.25, so so that ASIN doesn't exist. So then what you can do is you can pull up the Amazon app and it will take a picture, and then maybe we can have some luck there. So there it is, $4.12. Nope, 490,000 seller rank. Nope, that's definitely gonna be a pass on that one. But sometimes you'll be really surprised about what makes money. Like these, I've never heard of these, but we'll give it a shot. Nope, nothing on that one either. Salon Selectives, let's try this. There's one. So Salon Selectives is $1.25. Give it a second to pull up here. It's getting all the data together. Okay, so estimated monthly revenue $215, 40 a month, sale price $5.37. So I can already tell you that this isn't going to be any good. So $1.25, yeah, we would negative 9%. We would lose 13 cents on that. So scratch that. How about this one? Salon Selectives. Sometimes too, you never know, you can get something that doesn't have an ASIN right there, but when you take a picture of it, it actually has like multi-packs. So let's see if anything comes up here. Nope, nothing comes up for that orange one. But if we go back to these actually have a 3-pack for $15.29. So we'd be paying what, $3.75 for them. That would actually be probably pretty good. So 5 ounces, 5 ounces. So $3.75. Yeah, we'd make like $4 on that. So that'd be pretty good. And what you can do here, if you want more information, you can copy the ASIN, copy that, and then go back to Profitl, put that in like that, calculate, and then that's going to show us some other data that we need as far as like estimated monthly sales and stuff like that. So there we go, the 3-pack. And we're going to be paying, we'll go ahead and put our price in, $3.75. Selling for $15.29, 63% ROI, 60 reviews, 2 selling FBA, estimated $15 a month, which you know, that could be a little bit off. You can do the price graph, which is sort of like it gets its information from Keepa. You can pull that up and you can see the sales rank goes up and down, the offer history. So this is actually something that I would consider picking up, because you're going to spend $375 and almost double your money. Now, it's probably not going to sell overnight, but definitely something you could just add, and when it sells, it sells. Again, these blues don't come up, but when you take a picture of them, they do. $19.99 for two, but a 1 million seller rank, that's probably not going to be very good. All these different kinds of soaps here: Dove, Pearls, Dial, Caress. And these might be something here. Okay, so these come up 1, 2, 3. Looks like maybe a 4-pack. So that'd be what, 4? It'd be $5. Let's see. Doesn't look like it has a price on it, actually. That's weird. So either it's a new listing or it's just not being calculated. Okay, so maybe these. So selling for $11.49. Oh no, sorry, selling for $9 right now. So geez. You can see the FBA fees, $3.78. Let's just put this in. Looks like it's not going to be good, but it's $1.25. And by the way, you can get tax exempt here as well. And then you just show them the barcode that you get sent, and then you get your tax exempt. What you want to make, what you want to get. Okay. Oh no, look at this. $1.25, selling for $9. We're going to profit $2, and this is a sales rank. It doesn't have the sales rank. Yes, it does. 313,000 right there. So it's a little high. 0 reviews. So it's probably a new listing, not something that's selling crazy, but definitely something to consider. And then you want to check the different scents too, because they got all kinds of different scents. And that one didn't pick up. So typically, what I look for is health and beauty. And I'll look at books, and I'll look at like dog food and that kind of stuff. Sometimes the baby stuff as well. Couldn't find anything for that one. Let's try the Dove here. Couldn't find anything for that one either. Looks like it came up for that. Let's see. So I think what it must have done is picked up the picture of it instead of the barcode. But let's see, pack of 3 for 7, pack of 6 for 10. Nope, not good. Sometimes you'll find stuff like NYX here as well. This is just a lot of LA colors. LA colors. That kind of stuff. I'll look at toys as well. You can check out all the toothbrushes. Another crazy way to make money on Amazon is by selling food. So you can always check out the food items as well. So one of my best things that I've picked up from the Dollar Tree, and why I always check this area, is there were some like poop emoji cookie cutter molds, and I think they were $1.25, and I think I sold them for like $13 each. And I ended up getting like hundreds of them. It's crazy. Let's check out the dog food down here. But this is all that it is. This is how you source stuff. This is how you go out into the stores, find things to resell. And really, with apps like Profitl and the Amazon Seller app and Keepa and stuff like that, you really can make a really informed decision before you go in deep on something. We got a lot of these canine carryouts here. Every once in a while you'll get lucky and you'll come across something that's like discontinued, and you know you can make pretty good profit on that. So nothing came up there. Let's do this. Let's see. Okay, so look, so what is this for? You gotta be careful. Like this says buy generic, so that's like somebody created this and then put it in generic. And a lot of times, if you list it under that, one, it might not let you, and two, you might actually get in trouble for doing it. So anything that has generic under it, I'd watch out for, because somebody probably made that listing. So the UPCs aren't working, so we're just taking the pictures here. See, so here's one, $1.25. This says 47 ounce and this is 4.7 ounce. I'm gonna guess that it's probably 47 ounce. And then here's a pack of 4 22.5 ounce. So I wonder, and here's one that says 5 ounce bag for $7.16. So what if this is an actual 47 ounce bag? Yeah, so this is a big one. So this is an actual 47 ounce for 3 pounds. So that's not what that is. So you got to be careful. Make sure you read what you're looking at. Dole 7 ounce. Okay, so this is a 1.7 ounce. So probably not going to be anything good there. Let's see, they got a grill house, dog stoppers. Okay, not really seeing anything else I want to check out. You could go back and check out all those different flavors. Alright, let's see if we can find some books and then toys. You could also come through here. A lot of times you can find DVDs, but the UPCs oftentimes are like hidden on them, like they're covered up rather with like, these actually aren't. Sometimes they're covered up with like the Dollar Trees thing, but you can go through all those. I've had luck with those too in the past. Same with books. Books, a lot of times they'll be covered up in the back. This one doesn't seem to be, but they'll have a different UPC on there. But you can check these out. That one doesn't come up with anything. You see how this one has something different on it, not the actual one. So you just take a picture of it and make sure that it matches. So Dust of Bones, a novel, hardcover, so $8.20. Probably not a good one there. But every once in a while you'll come across some books that you can make some good profit on. Books are kind of iffy though, because they charge so much in fees for books. Let's see if we can find toys. Toys down here. Let's try this out. Well, looks like they got a premium $5 section here. Let's see what they got. So Unstoppables, and nothing comes up for that either with that. Here's another one, Zep. This comes up, this is $3, but check this out, $20.97 for the FBA fees. That is insane. But one cool thing about this app is that if you don't want to do all the research yourself, you can just hit summarize with AI, and it'll give you like a little paragraph about why they think it's a good buy and why they don't think it's a good buy. They don't have a lot of toys right now. They've got to have more than this. These Squishmallows, oh, they want $5 for these. I seriously doubt that that's going to be profitable. No. How much they want? 5? Yeah, no. Pretty close actually though to, so you make 51 cents. So not worth it, but I'm surprised they went for that much really. Alright, so you just look for name brands, and again, these might come up by UPC, but a lot of times they won't, especially the Hot Wheels. But you can check them out. Yeah, it's probably not gonna come up there. A lot of the stuff is just sort of junky, right? But let's see what we can find. There's got to be some sort of Barbie or something. There's some My Little Pony stuff. Nope, that one doesn't come up either. But you might be able to get these like this in these different kinds here and like put them in a set. That might be something you could do. Typically they have some little Barbie stuff. Oh, here we go, like this. And sometimes you'll be surprised at like these little things. Well, if I can keep a hold of them here. So see, that actually comes up. Now let's see how much it's going for. Nope, we'd lose money. But that's just an example. And they've got all kinds of different kinds here. Like even just small differences, like different little packs in the packs. Okay, well I think that's pretty much it. So hopefully you got a good idea of the kind of things to look for, how this goes about. You're not going to win every time, but those salon selectives, those would have probably been a good buy. You're going to double your money up. Don't forget to look at this kind of stuff too. Like we just scanned these. $1.25. Let's see what the sale price is. Nope. We'd have to sell it for $6.55. So I would avoid this one because the sale price is $1.12. So that's crazy. So I don't even know how anybody's making money on that. Okay, so this is probably worth a look. These are Dixie 30 set of plates. This says it's selling for $41.99 and we would make $21.90 selling 82 a month. Now that's really good. But my question is this like a 1-pack or what? What is this? Oh, 10 packs. So you gotta check. 10 packs of 30 plates. So this would be a 10 pack. So it would be what? Oh, never mind. They want $4 for it. Scratch that. I thought they wanted $1.25. But if it was $1.25, we would be able to sell it for $12.50, and that would be good because we would make like 10 bucks. But seeing as how it's $4, we're going to be paying $40, and so that's not going to be worth it. Okay, so there you have it. That's how you do it. That's how it's done. Didn't find anything great. Like I said, those salon selectives, I think that those would be a decent buy. But we didn't scan a lot of stuff either. I'm not going in there and scanning every single thing. Now, if I did that, I would probably find more. And I suggest that, you know, just starting out, you just scan everything. Because I'll tell you this, you really don't know what is going to bring you in profit and what isn't. So that's how you do it. Those are the apps I use. Go out there, start scanning, get you some stuff, send it into FBA. Heck, send it FBM from your home or your warehouse or wherever you're at. Build your confidence, or just add the Dollar Tree. Like even if you're already confident, like I come here every once in a while. I've been doing this for 12 years. I just stop by and just see what they have. I run through it real quick and see if there's anything cool. And sometimes I find some stuff. So good luck out there. Have fun, and I'll catch you all later.